Stroll, you are sexy motherfucker. Give me a touch, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, lonely, serious, sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else.
Jumping, go ahead and push them back, get your bodies pumping. Know you live in situations out the door, so grab somebody, get your ass on that floor. Let's get it wrong, we gotta have fun. Oh, that baby, that's for me. We got your open, now you load, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration. It stands for me. Let's get it percolated. Why you generation in this dancery. Let's get it percolated while you wait. So just dance for me, let's get it going. We gonna have fun on the finish dancery. We got your open, now you've loaded, so you got to dance for me. No need no hateration, adoration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated while you wait. So just dance for me.
Alright, that was a song from Tiana King.
Mercy, 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 the man them in a party, party, party. You wanna them a sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Everybody go to the mountain or rush me. Yes, the whole of the boy want to love me. I need them love. Yes, I need them love. Change them from me, sweet, sexy. Everybody go and say, everybody. I need them love. Yes, I need them love. But I don't want somebody who's loving everybody. I need a shy guy, this shy guy who'll always be mine. Oh Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. Demand them in a party, party, party. To all of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. But none of them move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, want you, want you, want you. Only he can make me hurry, hurry, hurry. They can be the one that I did. Everybody love me, hands up, be the one that I did. Be the one that I did. This is running through the shine man dip. Want to be my love and I want to be my friend to the very end. To the very end. But I don't want somebody who's loving everybody. And I'm a shy guy, this shy guy who'd only be mine. Oh Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. Demand them in a party, party, party. Cheer on them on sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. But none of them in a movie, movie, movie. Shy guy when you want to, want to, want to. Only he can make me hurry, hurry, hurry. Have mercy, 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 mercy. Come on. I'm a sad. Lord have mercy. Shine money when I hear you. You dance in the air and make me eye. If you wanna know the thing you wanna see, you just dedicate your own to shine money. Shine money when I hear you. Put your hands in the air and make me eye. If you wanna know the thing you wanna see, you just dedicate your own to shine money. But I don't want somebody who's loving everybody. I need a shy guy, it's shy guy who'll always be mine. Oh Lord, mercy, mercy, mercy. Party, party, party. You know them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. But now really move me, move me, move me. Shy guy when you want, you want, you want. Only he can make me irie, irie, irie. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. But none of them really move me, move me, move me. Shy guy when you want, you want, you want. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. But none of them really move me, move me, move me. Shy guy when you want, you want, you want. Only he can make me irie, irie, irie. Shy guy, shy guy, shy guy.
And covered by Gigi Delano.
This one has a sparrow in the marketplace. Molly is the singer in the band. This one says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly says he's how she takes him by the hand. Oh, that, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Oh, that, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. In a couple of years, they have built a home sweet home with a couple of kids running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Desmond lets the children let a hand. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with a band. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Hey, 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 hey. In a couple of years, they have built a home sweet home with a couple of kids running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Joyce. Hey! Happy ever after in the marketplace. Molly lets his children lend a hand. Desmond stays at home and does his pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with a band. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the life goes on. Obladi, oblada, like the sun, la la, how the light goes on. All right. One more. Yeah. May isa. Gloria, you're always on the run now, running after somebody. You gotta get it somehow. Slow down before you start to blow it. I think you headed for a breakdown, so be careful not to show it. You really don't remember. Was it something that he said? Are the voices in your head calling Gloria? Gloria, Gloria, don't you think you're falling? Gloria, if everybody wants you, Gloria, why is everybody calling? You don't have to answer. Leave him hanging on a line. you really don't remember. Oh, it's something that he said. Oh, the voices in your head calling Gloria. Gloria, Gloria, don't you think you're falling? Gloria, if everybody wants you, Gloria, why is anybody coming? You don't have to answer. Need him hanging on a line. Oh, calling Gloria. Gloria, Gloria, I think they got your number. Gloria, I think they got the area. Gloria, that you've been living in under. But you really don't remember. Was it something that he said? And the voices in your head calling Gloria. Alright, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Here's another song from
All right, another song.
Dream About You by a Grace Note.
Ayan, standby po sa request ni nanay na tada, tada. Tada, tada. Wag lang pong uulan.
Alright, let's enjoy the night! There was a time in my life that I opened my eyes and there you were. You were more than a dream, I could reach out and touch you, girl. That was long ago. There are some things that I guess I'll never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything's alright. You're in my arms, here next to me, forever. When I dream about you, boy, you never go away. And just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I still love loving you. How can I get you to see that I'm falling apart since you've been gone? I can never be sure, I can never let go. Your love is much too strong. There are some things that I guess I'll never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything's alright. You're in my arms, here next to me, forever. When I dream about you, boy, you never go away. You just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I still love loving you. Oh, and the rhythm section. Let's go! Hey! dreams, 'cause I still loving you.
Alright! Salamat po sa mga nakikisayaw. Ayan, nakikisayawan dyan.
Hear this song? Everybody?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, baka pa tayo. Everybody wanna try this one time? Just a small town girl living in the lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born to raise a shouting Troy. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Hey, wow, a singer in a smoky room,
Thank you po.
a smell of wine and share of perfume. All a smile they could share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. And strangers waiting, and up in the boulevard, and shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people, wherever the spine emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Everybody in the floor. I'm working hard to get my fill, and everybody wants the trail. Paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Somewhere wide, somewhere news, somebody sing the blues. What the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. And strangers waiting, and up and down the boulevard, there's shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people, wherever the spine emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Everybody! Don't stop believing, hold on to the feeling. Street lights, people, don't stop believing, hold on to the feeling. Street lights, people, don't stop believing, hold on to the feeling. Street lights, people, don't stop. Alright, thank you very much all of you once again. Yan sa mga gustong mag-request ng sweet love song from my Michael Bolton. Okay po ako dyan. Pati padagay. Ha? O sa seaweed daw. Everybody come on, dance on the floor. amo pang inapta si Agodo Pukor koray kanda odong Yasilia Oh Why you Umalik kayo Tamahan tako Sa Pinongo Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, ¡Wala, bola! Everybody sumayaw at nakanda, kay mapapahanga sa beauty Pilipinas. Wow, ang galing, sumayaw at nakanda, kay mapapahanga sa beauty Pilipinas. Yes man!
You could tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my thoughts when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just what a fool it is, and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back to underground. You can tell my feet that I'm the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching on the board. Don't tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart, I just don't think you understand. And you tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart, he might blow it up and kill this man. Tell you about a place who feels like penalties. It never really liked me anyway. Oh, tell Louise, tell me in your please. My simple body knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to wash out of my mind. It might have been a walk on me today. Baby, don't tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart, I just don't think you understand. Tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, it might blow it up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. You tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, it might blow it up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, it might blow it up and kill this man. Alright, thank you very much all of you once again. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa sumayaw. Ayan, once again, thank you very much po sa mga sumayaw and sa nagbigay po ng
Ayan na naman.
gusto nyong kanta para kantahin po? Dayang-dayang ano, talagang pinagpipilitan ng dayang-dayang. Guys, ika na nyo. Napanan, tumayaban. sa maululaw. Yung biyat ay bugaw-bugaw, or naskapya ay kubay umsaw. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga sumayaw. Thank you very much. Mag-sweet naman tayo para sumayaw sila tatay at nanay. Ayan, at saka yung mga nandito sila. Wonderful tonight. Song from brother. Here we go. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. Yeah, she put her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I said, yes, you look wonderful tonight. We got to the party, and everyone starts to sing. This beautiful lady that's walking around with me, and then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Because I see the love light in your eyes, and no wonder of it all is just you don't realize how much I love you. Yeah. It's time to go home now, and I'm kinda urgent her. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, I said, turn on the light. I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Yan, wow, ang sweet pa. This time, pakantahin naman natin si tatay. Ayan na.
Yan, palakpakan
kuan nalas
Gitsay lang.
Jay lang.
Kinidayat itikan nigit Emisen nakasamsamit Victoria tinagan ko kinulana Inaram ko ni Victoria itinabayan Lopay kasta ibanag na inanusa Uy, nagpasahin Edem iki alda Napalaos diragsak ko Ni Victoria inagkunan tuy ayat ko
Ay, tana.
When nagana tunggal alda na labas Tunggal adda ni Victoria dito'y dinan Edem
Malas, inangaunan,
nigasan Limay sa
di may sa apasama.
sama Tinakin ko
Ay
dinapalaman
na, itatag,
Bibig na ginomiti arang Ay barok patinjak Taawanin ni Victoria Entaray daytay parte akan rubah
napo na yun.
Nasakit tinagem ko ipinapasama Kahit napana na ginomiti corona Pagkakut silang sangita Naawanan kililiwan Ni Victoria ket awanan itibina Naglabas di aldaw bulan ken tawin Nadamat ko ni Victoria simang pwede Dagos ko asinarong karan
Apo?
Unay kong
Di
kwaran
pa kasi.
Kaya madamit ti ubing akatwaran
Points.
Kaya kita nagpatinggaan Ako'y kanta Di istorya Na ibangan kay ayan Anak supling tiliwat Ni Victoria sinubyanat Nobitin ka doge madenggen Dayto'y kanta Nobitin ka doge madenggen Dayto'y kanta
Alright, thank you very much po. Palakpakan naman natin si tatay. Ayan. Nag-line ni tatay Victoria.
Ay,
Nak-
Buena,
ay,
sir.
nagibati man 2,000 ni tatay. Ay, naglambutin.
Yay!
Thank you very much. Ayan.
Ayan.
Maraming salamat po. Pati na may suksukin.
Type.
Ay, tulungan natin si tatay. Thank you po.
Type.
Oy!
So long. Oh my God, sister.
Slang.
What is it, Anet?
Oy, English! English! Wag mong maitay-itay-ites.
Ano,
Ay,
eh?
Tagalog lang.
Langwahe ng iti ito. Oh. Through the fire ka no. Ah, sister. Ano kanta? Tagalog, Ilocano. English? What your song? What do you want? Thank you for loving me by Bon Jogal. Laya, ite. Go, guro na. Ala?
Kukuha siya ng lyrics.
Nag-walk out yung aning ko.
Ay, hindi. Uminom pa siya para mas makapal pa yung ano niya.
Bahala na si RPM na. Baka, ay sister, baka mamaya maging Bon Jovi yung boses mo, ha? Ala. Knowing mo yung lyrics? Knowing mo? No. Ala. O sa lyrics ko, yung tatok namin yung utak ko, ate ko. Ay, Kieran. Kieran. Lakaray mo.
Yes.
Samahan kita. Sige, sure, sister. Laka.
May sinasabi si Madam Ami. Iwan mo daw tong bag mo pag wala ka daw sa tukso. Bebenta namin.
Joke lang nila yon. Joke lang nila yon. Ano ka ba?
Hindi kami nagjo-joke.
Joke lang
Sa
nila
lang
yun.
na magbibigay dyan.
Half of joke is
Andito-
true.
Ano na mga sarap tonight?
Ay? Tapos mamaya, kuha ka ng isang kakanta sa kanila. Pagpilitan mo, girl. Go, push mo yan. Go, go, go! Okay.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Aldridge.
Bon Jovi ata, yun. Matingting. Talay ka pare. Yan.
Charis.
Saris. We did it planty.
Andun na eh.
Isa pa.
It's hard for
Oh, Bon Jovi, di ba?
say the things I wanna say.
Uwi. Hindi ka na kailangan dito.
There's no one here but you and me. That broken old street light, light the door.
Pare, wag kang lumabas mamaya, pare.
Leave the world outside.
Jovi?
All I've got to give to you, for these the words inside. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me.
Hindi mo na pala ako
Yung mga
kailangan.
magbibigay ko, dito lang ako.
It's hard for you to see the dream, and sure the dream was you. When I look into your eyes, the skies are deep and blue. Cross my heart, I'm in all disguise. If I tried to make believe that you believe in my lies, thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for biting my lips and when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. You picked me up and I fell down. You're in the building down and count me out.
Starting out apart on sea. You know that for us you've Ay, wow!
Ay, dito yan.
Amazing!
Magaling.
Lock the doors,
Magaling mang-hold
feel the world outside.
Gayahin niya natin mamaya to.
If I tried to make believe that you believe my lies, thank you
po.
Ang galing.
Ay,
So much.
wait lang.
Ang galing mo, te. Ikaw na lang ang singer namin.
Oo nga, kailangan namin to sa grupo.
Kailangan namin sa grupo.
Thank you po sa nagbigay po. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Meron na po akong pang Christmas. Ayan.
And syempre, third lang. May porsyento kami dyan. 70-30 tayo.
Pag-usapan na lang natin sa likod
Sige,
naman.
tara na, Harold, tara na.
Pare, tinulungan kita, pare.
Lahat ng kumakanta naglalagay.
Oo. Kailangan may
Kakanta
pasuksok
pa
pa
ako
rin.
mamaya.
Ganun pala yung
Ganun palang
technique.
technique.
May pabeso-beso palang technique. Pare, 50-50 tayo, pare. Tinulungan kita, pre.
Ganun pala.
Alright, ganun pala yun.
Ganun pala ang technique.
Pwede pala.
Antayin ulit natin yung
siya,
thank you for
siguro.
loving
Ay,
me.
si madam. Si madam. Kakanta si madam. Sino 30? 60-40.
Mamaya kausapin ko din si Madam Art
yeah.
Teacher.
Alam ko celebrity ko.
What?
Uncle, Steve-O.
Hanggang.
Nalalaing dagayam dito.
Lalaing dagbudol si kayo.
Nalalaing ni sister ko, damdama pa na jiligod, damdama niya eh. Okay, here we go.
We'll try this one song.
Hello.
Pare Bart, nagpa-rescue ka na ni Wa.
Ilang ulit mo na
Ay, wala ba kayong mga kamay?
tinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan,
Uwi na ako, tol.
hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal, hanggang may himig
Ayan na.
pa akong narinig
Nagbudol kayo,
Mainam to,
Madam.
mainam.
dito sa ating daigdig.
Si Utol pa lang magbibigay. Tol, bigyan mo 5,000.
Thank you. So,
Oy, kuya, 70-30 tayo dyan, ha?
60-40 daw.
Ayan na.
60-40 ba?
wala bang makamay. Hiliwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay mamaya dyan, mamaya. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. Nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal.
Gaano kamahal yan?
5,000.
Hanggang ang diwa ko'y tanging sa'yo laan. Mamahalin, mamaya ka muna, ante. Kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y, hanggang walang thank you.
Ayan na.
Ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong narinig.
Lambutan.
Tay, happy birthday, Tay!
Aba, 5,000 yan si tatay.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year! Happy birthday, Tay! Happy birthday, Tay!
Ako.
Ika'y iniibig. Hiliwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Thank you, Tay. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling hanggang may pag-ibig. Thank you, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Thank you, Tito Tay. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Meron pa tamo.
Ayan. Nakabudol na naman sila.
Nakabutol. Asan na yung 30% ko? Alright, thank you very much sa ating guest singer for tonight.
Ayan, akin na po. Halina na po dito. Sir, li ka na 30% lang
30%.
sa amin.
Lalapitan din po namin kayo. Alright, let's enjoy the night. It's party, party. malahos at dilim. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit at ako pala'y naging sangangal, naghahangal sa katulad ko. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, magbabayaran ko. Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang malamig, nasasaktan ang damdamin. Gulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Doon ako'y nasa ilalim, sana bukas na sa ibabaw
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo, tunay at totoo.
Sintamis ng wine, sintatag ng sunshine, sinta. Nananaginip na gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat sinakbong ng puso ko, sa isang sulong na lang umiibig sa'yo. Sinta, umiibig sa'yo. Sinta, umiibig sa'yo. Sabi mo, di mo na ako mahal. Bakit ba? Ano ang dahilan? Di ba sumumpa ka pa? Tayo lang dalawa, mahal na mahal kita. Bakit ako ngayon'y hate mo? Bakit bigla kang nagbago? Bakit wala nang sweetness mo? Ano man ang dahilan, ako ay pag
Ito na pang request si tatay na pagsubok.
Pag-isiyaw.
Susubukan lang natin.
Aba,
Naya pa, gawid ka kang tatay. Ah? Ay, agisala.
nagsala. Ang po na yan, nagsala na. Pagbigyan mo. Naminsan lang man. Si Lito sa mga panahon na ismumali. Bakit pa bumapalaki ng iyong mundo? Kinakalawan, buhay ay saryang dayan. Suliran, hindi mo pigilan. Itanim mo lang sa iyong puso. Kaya mo yan. Pagkabigo, alinlangan, tumutulo sa isip.
Happy birthday po sa inyo.
Target soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dash yourself up, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting close and this ain't over. The pressure's on, you feel it. You've got it all, believe it. You will not get up, oh, oh, when you get down, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. Just this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. These are the God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, though it in line, vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on and feed them, this is your moment of hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. When you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. I'm Melba Jolie. I'm biggie, biggie mambo from A to Z. I see digging and digging. I'm biggie, biggie mambo from East to West. I see waka, waka, ma, eh, eh. Waka, waka, ma, eh, eh. And I see your massive booyah. Cause this is Africa. Samina, mina. Anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina. Samina, mina. Anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina. Eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina. Eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa, the jungle, eh, eh. Jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, ah, ah. Jungle, eh, eh. The jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa.
Alright! Dahil Christmas na Christmas na! Hey! Isang Christmas song po para sa ating lahat! Nadarama ko na ang lamig ng hangin. Di ba malamig? Yes! Naririnig ko ba ang malilingit na tinig? May dalang tasang pinagsama-sama at ginawang tamburin. Ang mga parol ng bawat tahanay nagniningning. Hey! Ibang na saya. Himig ng Pasko'y nadarama ko na. May tatalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas? Ang kaligayahan natin walang kupas. Di alintana kung walang pera. Basta tayo'y magkakasama. Ibang-iba talaga ang Pasko sa Pinas. May simpleng regalo na sininong at sinina para sa inaanak na nag-aabang. Ang buong pamilya ay magkakasama sa pagtuwa ng Christmas tree. Ayan na ang barkada, ikaw
Sa tuwing darating ang Kapaskuhan, ang Christmas bonus ating inaasahan. Sa mga kumpanyang pinagtatrabahuan, tunay natin ito kailangan. Kaya't ibigay niyo na ang aming Christmas bonus, pati na ang 13th month pay, para lahat okay na okay. Tatanggap ng Christmas bonus, para bang problema mo'y mahugus-hugus. Pambili ng regalo, panghanda sa lahat ng gastos. Halos doon na ang lahat may Christmas bonus. Kaya ibigay mo na ang aming Christmas bonus, nang maging maligaya tayong lahat sa araw ng Pasko. Sa tuwing darating ang Kapaskuhan, ang Christmas bonus ating inaasahan. Sa mga kumpanyang pinagtatrabahuan, tunay natin itong kailangan. Sabay-sabay! Kaya't ibigay niyo na ang aming Christmas bonus, pati na ang 13th month pay, kaya't lahat okay na okay. Kaya't ibigay niyo na ang aming Christmas bonus, maging maligaya tayong lahat sa araw ng Pasko. Kaya't ibigay niyo na ang aming Christmas bonus, nang maging magsagana ang pagsalubong sa bagong taon. Kaya't ibigay niyo na ang aming Christmas bonus, pati na ang 13th month pay, para lahat okay na okay. Alright, thank you so much po sa mga nagsisaya. Kaya